Okay guys, I promise you to bring you best episode, best tutorial on how to maintain your car last longer. So this is the video I'm going to do, and these are the car maintenance you have to know to keep your car last longer and also avoid expensive car repairs. And I'll give a big shout out to Nasiru Receive. You are helping this channel, and I really appreciate how you comment, how you support, and you're regular on this platform. Nasir, receive a big shout out to you wherever you are. Let's move on. These are the 4 major maintenance things you have to do and check regularly to avoid expensive car repairs. Number 1 is engine oil. Engine oil plays major role in your car, so you have to change your engine oil regularly to avoid damage and distractions on your car. So you have to do all things possible. And we have 2 type of engine oil. We have regular engine oil and synthetic engine oil. And we all know synthetic engine oil requires to minimum range of inspection interval 10,000 kilometers, and regular engine oil require minimum range of inspection interval 5,000 kilometers. But I suggest you to use synthetic engine oil, but synthetic engine oil is more expensive, so the choice is yours whether you choose to use regular engine oil or inspection engine oil, and that will keep your car lifespan last twice or long last than before. So let's take note about that, and also use genuine oil filter to escape dangers to maintain your engine life longer. Number 2 is engine coolant. Engine coolant is more important, so you have to check your engine coolant regularly and make sure to change it at the right time, which is 20,000 kilometers. It is more important. I personally use anti-freeze coolant so that it can maintain the engine long, maintain it from rusting, it maintain it from what damage, and also keep the engine component lifelong than before. Number 3 is the battery. Battery also play major role in the engine, and that is the generator that operates the electrical component in the car, and it's also an operating system for the whole electrical system. So make sure to check your battery voltage regularly, especially when you perform an engine oil change. I personally use multimeter to check my battery voltage so that in case of any damage, you can visit your local mechanic to diagnose it for you. Failing to do that, when the battery is weak and it doesn't charge properly, it may affect other electrical components or a low voltage. You know what it is to destroy your car, to destroy a lot of electrical components and electrical devices at your home. So avoid that at all costs. And this is also important because battery is the source of power and is the whole generator that controls the electrical system and the main engine as well. Take note about that. And the last thing is what? The transmission fluid. Make sure to check your transmission fluid levels all the time. Check your transmission fluid level all the time. And we have 2 types of transmission. We have automatic transmission and the CVT transmission. Some transmission like this, you can able to dip it and know the particular oil that you need to use, and these are some of the things you have to do. Or you can also check the type of oil you have to use in the owner's manual, and that requires you to know the exact thing you want to do. So this is required to 25,000 to 20,000 kilometers, so that you have to change your transmission oil. CVT transmission doesn't have any gauge, so it is you to check your owner's manual or link to your local mechanic or service provider to give you the exact time to change your CVT transmission oil, which is also 25,000 to 30,000 kilometers, 2 years, let's say 2 years and above. And doing that to keep your car last longer than before. This is car maintenance you have to avoid expensive car maintenance. Doing that will give your car more lifespan. Doing that will keep your car in a correct shape and give you more performance as well. If you know this video is helping you, please don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button and click the notification there. If you know you have any issue about your car and you want us to assist you, don't don't hesitate to put in the comment section, and we're always here to help you, to assist you. And this is our job, this is our priority, and that is why we are here to help you. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. But don't forget to do this, because if you fail to do this, you are going to scrap your car. And if you're willing to do this can help you to keep your car last and twice than before. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Hello fam, are you looking forward to own your own car, or you have been looking for a car on the internet, or you want to order a car and it has been a burden? The time is here for you to own your car without stress. GY Trading Company is here to help you get your dream car right to your doorstep. Relax and take a look at some of their cars, and when you are done, I'll give you their contacts. +81 9056477409. Contact them now and your car will be at your doorstep.